In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord mic cutting out. If your friends keep saying you're cutting in and out, don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly what to check and how to fix it. First, confirm your microphone hardware is working properly. Test your mic in another app like a voice recorder, Zoom, or any call app to see if the audio is steady there. Make sure the cable is fully seated. Try a different USB port if you can, and check for a mute switch on the mic or headset. If you have access to another microphone, try it briefly to rule out a hardware issue. Next, fine-tune Discord's input settings. On desktop, open User Settings, go to Voice and Video, and select your exact microphone under Input Device. Set input mode to voice activity for hands-free talking or push-to-talk if you prefer a keybind for more control. Turn on Automatically Determine Input Sensitivity so Discord can adjust your levels dynamically, and speak to see the input bar respond. For cleaner audio, you can optionally enable noise suppression and echo cancellation. On mobile, open your profile, go to Voice and Video, confirm your input mode and sensitivity, and then join a voice channel to test your sound in real time. If your mic still cuts out, check your network. Choppy audio is often connection related. Use a wired connection if possible, or a strong, stable Wi-Fi signal. Pause heavy downloads and avoid VPNs while you're in voice. If your server allows it, switch to another server region by going to Server, Server Settings, Overview, then Server Region, and pick a region closest to most participants. Keep everything up to date. Update the Discord app on desktop or mobile, and update your audio drivers on your PC. After updating, restart Discord to apply the changes cleanly. Close apps that might be competing for the microphone. Programs like Zoom, Teams, OBS, Steam Voice Chat, or even browser tabs with mic permissions can take control or filter your audio. Shut down anything you don't need while you're on Discord. For advanced fixes on PC, try resetting Discord's voice settings. Go to User Settings, Voice and Video, select Reset Voice Settings, confirm, and then rejoin the voice channel. If that doesn't help, disable exclusive mode so a single app can't take over the mic. Open Control Panel, go to Sound, Recording, select your microphone properties, then Advanced, and uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply and OK. Follow these steps in order and your mic should sound steady and clear on Discord.